Hey there, cake lovers. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a recipe that's near and dear to my heart, especially when the weather turns chilly. It's my mandarin dream cake. Perfect with a steaming cup of coffee or tea. Trust me, this recipe is super easy and 100% guaranteed to be a hit. So grab your aprons and let's get baking. First up, the star of the show, mandarins. Oranges if you prefer. We'll need the zest of about 4 mandarins to get the amazing citrusy aroma. Zest those babies right into 200 grams of sugar. Now, give it a good mix. The zest infuses the sugar with all that yummy mandarin goodness. Next, let's add 4 eggs to our sugary zesty mixture. Don't forget a pinch of salt. It enhances all the flavors. Now, we're going to mix this for about 5 minutes, until it's light, fluffy, and almost white. This is where the magic happens. Time for 150 grams of oil. Drizzle it in slowly while mixing on a low speed. We don't want to deflate our lovely batter. Now, fold in 110 grams of natural yogurt. This adds moisture and gives the cake a lovely tang. Next, we will add 100 grams of mandarin juice. Mix it carefully. All right, time for the flour. We need 300 grams and we're going to add it gradually. Remember, mix carefully to avoid overmixing. Oh, and don't forget the leavening agent. Add 15 grams of baking powder to the flour before adding it to the wet mixture. Now, let's get our baking pan ready. I'm using a rectangular mold, but any shape will work. Just make sure to grease it generously with butter and then dust it with flour. This will prevent our cake from sticking. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for approximately 45 minutes. But keep an eye on it. Ovens vary. And look at this beauty. The whole house smells like mandarins. The cake is incredibly soft, moist, and the perfect companion to a warm cup of coffee. So good. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.